you really want a puppy? I mean, do you really want a puppy? Do you? Do you realise the work that's involved when you get a lovely wee puppy? Oh yes, they're lovely. I'm 45. My arms and my back are aching. Cleaning and hosing and lifting, locking the dog in the shed, feeding the dog. It never ends. I was out here last night hosing my backyard at 1 o'clock in the morning. Now, I'm sitting here with the towel wrapped around me, and I can't turn the camera down and let you see what the dog's doing. It's ripping the towel off me. You can't get a minute ever. Ever. You've always to lock the dog somewhere to protect yourself or protect the kids. Clean the mess up before someone gets an infection or something. Do you really want to get a puppy? Are you sure? Check this. That's my towel. That towel is wrapped around me. Look, this towel cost me £15 2 weeks ago, and already there's about 10 holes in it. She keeps doing that. You can't win. Now, here's the special stuff you have to be concerned with. Now, it's a good wee dog. It lives in there. That's her wee house. In under the canopy. Nice and warm and safe and dry. She comes out. She doesn't do these wee landmines all over the garden. She's good enough. She always goes onto the trampoline. So I can't complain there. But I have to clean it. I'll let you see how in a minute. Let's try and slip this across quickly. It's the dog trapped in there. And I put the chair back. Now, the dog is now trapped in there. Does that look nice to you? Does that look nice and tasty? That's what you have to deal with the wee dog. There's one cleaned over there already. And there's the remnants of another wee bit. Another one. And then we go around here for the third and final one. You gotta be fast. Scoop it on there. And of course, the whole time while you're doing this, you have to listen to the dog yelping in the shed because she can't get out. And now you got to rinse everything away. There's one rinsed, partially. There's number 2. Landmines everywhere. But thank goodness they're always onto the trampoline. Now I washed that right away into that corner. You can see I have a gap under my fence over there. It leads into another wee canopy in the corner that actually isn't used. And the third landmine was just right there. Now that's spotless clean. Hose everything over there. Everything has to be spotless clean. Especially when you have kids in the house, everything has to be kept absolutely spotless. Because Those little landmines, believe it or not, can cause blindness through an infection. I would say I do this at least 4 times a day. So that's a good 10 minutes of rinsing. I know it only sounds like 10 minutes, but do it 4 times a day. And then know that you have to do it 4 times a day. You know, it's a bit of stress building up when you're trying to do other things. So really seriously, all joking aside, think twice before you get a puppy. Now the next step, I gotta go in here for bleach. And then rinse. What you want to do is rinse the bleach over everywhere where you cleaned up a little landmine, just in case. And again now I will rinse this right into the corner, and it goes under my back gate and into my little canopy in the corner. So anything that went through over there is now getting bleached. Now I'm going to leave that bleach just sitting like that, but at this stage of the game the dog has to remain in her kennel under her wee canopy until the bleach is all disappeared. Give the shovel another rinse, give my drain a good rinse, and no, the dog mess did not go down the drain. It's bagged and double bagged. Didn't show you that bit because it's hard holding the camera while doing it. Bagged, double bagged, and then into the bin. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Well, I'll say as simple as that. Yes, I'm now wearing my wife's coat over my head. This isn't mine, because it started to rain mid-cleaning, and I had to keep going because the wee dog's in there and she's crying and yelping and moaning, and I have to listen to her. So I wanted to get the job done. So listen, job done. But seriously, think long and hard before you buy a puppy dog. They're lovely, lovely, cute little dogs. Lovely. But the work, especially when you have kids, when you're trying to take kids out, go shopping, clean the house, and you've all this extra stuff to do. It only seems like 10-15 minutes 4 times a day. So much stress, it's not funny. So much stress. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.